Today we start a chapter number 6, lines and angles. What is the name of the chapter? Lines and angles. First, lines, collinear points. What is the meaning of collinear points? Collinear points means if three or more than 3 points, three and more than 3 points, suppose that is a line point A, point B, point C and point D. If three or more than 3 points lies on the same line, that line is L. Three or more than 3 points lies on the same line, they are called collinear points. So point A, point B, point C and point D. Point A, B, C and D. There are 4 points and lies in a same line. That same line is L. It is called a collinear points. Okay, it is called a collinear points. What is non-collinear points? If three or more than 3 points not lies on the line, not lie on the same line. Suppose point E is not lying on the line L. Point E is not lies in a line L. Therefore, A, B, C, D and E are non-collinear points. Are non-collinear points. A, B, C, D and E are non-collinear points, and A, B, C and D are collinear points. Okay. What is the concept of angle? Concept of angle, two ray. Which two ray? Ray OA and ray OB. Two ray, ray OA and ray OB having a common endpoint. Common endpoint is O. That is called a vertex. Two ray OA and OB having a common endpoint O forms angle AOB. Angle AOB and either angle BOA. Angle AOB भी लिख सकते हैं and we can write angle BOA. Both have same angles. Point O forms angle AOB. Either you write anti-clockwise direction, otherwise write a angle in clockwise direction. Okay, written as angle AOB. Angle AOB it is same as और करके लिख सकते हो angle BOA. Angle BOA. And there are two arms. In any angle, there are two arms. One is the common point is O, ray OA and ray OB. Ray OA and ray OB, there are two arms in each angle. And common point O, otherwise end point is O. That is called a vertex of the angle. That is called a vertex of the angle. That is an angle. Angle AOB, it is same as angle BOA. It is same as angle BOA. Okay, angle AOB or angle BOA both are same. Types of angle. First one is acute angles. First one is acute angle. Acute angle. What is the acute angle? Between which measure in angle, an angle measure between 0 and 90 degree. An angle measure between 0 and 90 degree, it is called an acute angle. It is called an acute angle. Second one, right angle. What is the definition of right angle? An angle measure 90 degree. An angle measure 90 degree. It is called a right angle. It is called a right angle. Third one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. An angle measure between more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Otherwise, an angle measured between 90 degree and 180 degree, it is called an obtuse angle. That figure is called obtuse angle. Angle AOB is obtuse angle. Suppose the angle is 110 degree. That angle whose measure 90 degree, angle AOB, that is called a 90 degree. An angle whose measure between 0 and 90, between 0 and 90 degree, that angle is 70 degree. It is called an acute angle. It is called an acute angle. Fourth one, straight angle. Fourth one, straight angle. Straight angle means an angle measure 180 degree. That is called a straight angle. That is called a straight angle. That point is O. Okay, that point is O, that is A, and that is B. That angle is a straight angle. That angle is 180 degree. Fifth part, it is a reflex angle. Reflex angle. An angle measure between more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. It is called a reflex angle. Suppose the angle, that angle is reflex angle. Angle A, O, and B, that angle is reflex angle. That angle is called a reflex angle. That angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. And last one is complete angle. Complete angle. Okay, an angle measure 360 degree. An angle measure 360 degree is called a complete angle. Starting point A, O, and that point is also B. That is same point. And that angle is called a complete angle. That angle is called a complete angle. Okay, clear? Next one is complementary angles. What is the meaning of complementary angle? Complementary angle means two angles whose sum is 90 degree. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree. It is called a complementary angle. Suppose that is an angle A, O, that is an angle B, that is point C, and that is X, and that is Y. That is angle X plus angle Y, that is equal to 90 degree, is called our complementary angle. For example, X is equal to 30 degree, then Y is equal to 60 degree always. If both angles are complementary angle, if X and Y are complementary angle, angle X is 30 degree, then angle Y is always be 60 degree. Because sum of two angle is always be a 90 degree. And it is called a complementary angles. It is called a complementary angle. Next one is supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angle means two angle whose sum is 180 degree is called a supplementary angle. O, that is point C, B, and that is point A. That is an angle X, and that is angle Y. That is angle X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of these two angles is 180. It is called a supplementary angle. For example, if angle X is equal to 50 degree, then angle Y is 180 minus 50 degree. 180 minus 50, that is equal to 130 degree. Therefore, here angle, if angle X is 30 degree, then angle Y is 90 minus 30 degree, and that is called Y is equal to 60 degree. Angle Y is 60 degree, and here angle Y is equal to 130 degree. If sum of two angle is 180, it is called a supplementary angle. Sum of two angle is equal to 180, it is called a supplementary angle. Next one is adjacent angle. Adjacent angles. What is the definition of adjacent angles? Two angles are adjacent if two angles are adjacent, if they have a common vertex, a common arm, a common vertex and a common arm, and their non-common arm, their non-common arms are on different sides of the common arm. Different side of the common arm is called a adjacent angle. Adjacent angle means, suppose these two angles are adjacent angles, A O B, that angle AOB, and that is angle C BOC. If they have a common vertex which one? O. Angle AOB and angle BOC, common vertex is O. If common arm, which is the common arm? Ray OB. Angle AOB, that is ray OA and ray OB. Ray OA and ray OB. Okay. And angle BOC, that is ray OB and ray OC. And ray OC. Here, if they have a common vertex is O. A common arm, which one? OB, ray OB and ray OB, both are common arm. Ray OB and ray OB, common arm. And their non-common arm, which one? Ray OA and ray OC are non-common arm, are on different side. That is a right side and that is an upside. Okay, cross side of the common arm. Common arm जो है, common arm के दोनों opposite side में होने चाहिए, दोनों different side में होने चाहिए. Both are not on the same side. Which is the common arm? Common arm is ray OB, and ray OA and ray OC are on different side of the common arm. Are on the different side of the common arm. You remember this. Every complementary angle, here ray O is the common vertex, ray OB is the common arm, and both are on different side. Ray OA and ray OC both are on different side. So every complementary angle are adjacent angle, but every adjacent angle are not complementary. Every adjacent angles are not complementary angles. Okay, so every complementary angle are adjacent angles, but every adjacent angle are not complementary angles. Similarly, every supplementary angle are adjacent angles. Every supplementary angles are adjacent angle, but every adjacent angle are not supplementary angles. Okay, clear? Equal angle. Two angle are said to be equal. Two angles are said to be equal if they have the same measure. They have the same measure. Okay. If both angle have same measure, both are equal angle. Angle AOB and angle BOC, both are equal angle. Both are equal angle. For example, angle AOB is 30 degree and angle BOC is 30 degree. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to angle BOC, that is 1/2 angle AOC. 1/2 angle AOC, because that angle is 30 degree, that is 30 degree, and angle AOC is 30 plus 30, that is equal to 60 degree. That is equal to 60 degree. Okay, both angles are equal, and that is also called a angle bisector. That is also called a angle bisector of an angle. Next one is bisector of an angle. Bisector of an angle means ray OB. Ray OB bisect angle AOC. Bisect angle AOC. A ray OC. Ray OB is called the bisector of angle AOC. Okay, if measure angle AOB, it is same as measure angle BOC. AOB, M means measure angle AOB. Measure angle AOB, that is 30. It is same as measure angle BOC. Okay, it is same as measure angle BOC, and that we write in the similar to same bisector of the angles. Okay, bisector of an angle. इक्वल एंगल की डेफिनेशन में ए लिखना, चलो दैट इज ए 50 डिग्री. Which angle? Angle ABC is 50 degree and angle PQR is 50 degree. PQR, that is called a 50 degree. Okay, that is called a 50 degree. Angle ABC and angle PQR both are 50 degree. That is an equal angle. Okay, that is an equal angle. And that is the definition of bisector. That is the figure of the bisector of an angle. That is the figure of bisector of an angle. Okay, that is AOB is equal to AOB, that is equal to angle BOC, that is equal to half of angle AOC, and that both angles are AOC is 60 by 2, that is equal to 30 degree. That is equal to 30 degrees. Linear pair of angles. If they are non-common, if they are non-common, forms a line, then they are called linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. अदरवाइज और करके क्या लिख सकते हैं? और angles of a linear pair. For the by figure, in the given figure, angle AOB and angle BOC, that is a linear pair. Angle AOB plus angle BOC, it is called a linear pair and its sum is equal to 180 degree. Its sum is 180 degree. And common arm, बीच में एक कॉमन आर्म होना चाहिए, कॉमन आर्म OB and non-common arm OA and OC both are in opposite direction. Both are in opposite direction. If there are non-common arm for a line means non-common arm से एक line create होनी चाहिए. Non-common arm form a opposite direction, form a opposite side. Non-common arm form a opposite side. Then they are called a linear pair of angles. They are called the linear pair of angles, otherwise angles of a linear pair. Okay, angles of a linear pair. Next one is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. Two angles having a common vertex, two angle having a common vertex, and each arm of the first angle forming a line. First angle forming a line with an arm of the other angles are called vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. Definition important नहीं है, वो फिगर से समझते हैं. Both line AOB and line COD. Line AOB, B. Otherwise line AB and line CD intersect at point O. Two angles having a common vertex. Angle AOC and angle BOC having a common vertex O. And each arm of the first angle का arm ray OA forming a line with an arm of the vertex other angles. Other angle is OB, arm of the other angles. Other angle BOC है, उसका other ray OB are called the vertically opposite angle. ये दोनों vertically opposite angle है. Angle 1 and angle angle 1 and angle 3 both are opposite angle. And angle 2 and angle 4 both are opposite angle. So there are two pairs of vertically opposite angle. VOA means vertically opposite angle. How many pairs? Two pairs. Which one? First one is angle 1 and angle 3. Second one is angle 2 and angle 4. And vertically opposite angle are always equal. Vertically opposite angle are always equal. Angle 1 is 100, then angle 3 is 100. Angle 2 is 80, angle 4 is 80. Okay. In below figure, there are how many? If two lines intersect at only one point, there are four pairs of linear pair. Four pairs of the linear pair of the angle. Okay. How many pairs? Four pairs of linear pair. LP means linear pair. Which are the four linear pairs? Angle 1 and angle 2. Its sum is 180 degree. Angle 1 and angle 2. That is a first pair. Second pair is angle 2 and angle 3. एडजेसेंट एंगल कंपल्सरी होने चाहिए एंड बोथ आर इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. थर्ड पेयर एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 4 are linear pair and angle and fourth one angle 4 and angle 1 angle 4 and angle 1 that is a linear pair. If two lines intersect at one and only one point, there are two vertically opposite angle pair. Vertically opposite angle pair. How many vertically opposite angle pair? There are two pairs. And linear pair, one two, first one, first pair, second pair, third pair, and fourth pair. Okay, there are four pairs. और लास्ट में इतना लिख देना, वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल, आर ऑलवेज इक्वल. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. A linear pair are always supplementary, are always supplementary. Linear pair are always supplementary. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Linear pair means and supplementary angle. What is the similarity? Sum of two angle is 180. और इसमें भी दोनों एंगल का सम कितना होना चाहिए? दोनों का भी सम 180 होता है. और इसमें लीनियर पेयर में क्या है? बोथ एंगल्स आर नॉन जीरो. दोनों एंगल क्या होने चाहिए? नॉन जीरो. एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी आर नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो. इसमें को इधर एंगल ए जीरो हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता. ओके, ये उसकी एक कंडीशन है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, angle A is 80 degree, therefore angle B is 100 degree. Here angle A is 0 degree, therefore angle B is 180 degree. That condition is true only for supplementary angle, not true for linear pair. Supplementary angle में कोई एक एंगल 0 हो सकता है, तो another angle is 180 degree. But linear pair में दोनों में से कोई भी एंगल 0 नहीं हो सकता. Okay, so every linear pair is a supplementary angle, but every supplementary angle need not be a linear pair. Not that point. Every linear pair is a supplementary angle. Every linear pair is a supplementary angle, but its converse need not be true. It converse need not be true. That is, for example, supplementary angle है 0, तो B 180 होगा. That is not a linear pair. ये linear pair नहीं है. हाँ, if it is a linear pair, that is also a supplementary angle. ये linear pair है तो supplementary angle है, but it is a supplementary angle. That is not a linear pair. ये हमारी linear pair नहीं है. It is supplementary angle. It is not a linear pair. Okay, it is not a linear pair. Clear?